like, hi, baby.
You gotta turn around and go back now, Jackie. Go back. Go back to Grandma's house. Here goes Zach. Go, go, go. Go get him. Go get him.
Go get Garrett, Toby.
Whoever that is.
Okay, come on, we gotta go get in the house.
Okay, go back over there. Go back with Grandma. Come this way, Zachary. Zachary. Okay, come back this way now. Come back this way. No, no, go the other way. Come back the other way. Wait. Okay, we gotta go this way. Come on this way. Atta boy. Go back and get Lynn. Go get Colby. Go get Colby. Go get Colby. Go get him. No, no, you don't come out towards him. Okay, go get Colby. You gotta stay there, Jack. Colby.
Come on, you're wearing yourself. I'm afraid you're gonna fall and you'll skin your nose.
Come back this way. Come on this way.
Come on, we gotta go in here.
There goes Zachary. I mean, yeah, there goes Zachary and Grandma.
Boy, he can get away from you.
Yes, he's fast.